Brady. Good bird. Yeah, I got him.
Yeah, he likes you. He likes you. There. Mida, why you don't like me?
Because you're mean,
Huh?
Mum.
I'm not mean to you. I always cover you though during the night. See, Annalyn don't cover you during the night.
Mum. Because
Yeah.
you're always the last one out here.
Hi. There you go.
See, you're like a bird. Nah. He doesn't like you.
Come on.
I'm really going mean, Mum.
Come on. Come to mommy. Nah.
Nah, I'm his mummy. Nah, he likes me more.
He likes you.
He likes me more.
You are unfair, me though. You don't like me.
He's a bird, Mum.
Yeah, but yes, still.
I talk. Look. Mummy!
There you go. There you go. Say hello.